Let's talk about sparkly makeup today, but not about this sparkly eye makeup about which we've talked in another video that I will link in the description for you to watch later if you like, but about sparkly lip makeup, a truly jewelry-like lip. Let's take a look at how it's done. Started by doing an ombre, but not the usual kind of ombre where one color is inside of the other, but more like a horizontal type of ombre. So draw two stripes of purple, one on top of the top lip and the other one on the bottom of the bottom lip, and then apply a little bit of magenta on the bottom of the bottom stripe and on the top of the top stripe, blend it with the purple, and then apply the teal, blend it with the purple too, so you're getting this shift, and then apply a warm green, blend it with the teal, and you will get these mermaidish colors on your lips, on your kind of striped but at the same time gradient lips. Blend them. I have a lot of tutorials on ombre lipstick so that you can watch exactly how to blend the colors. Then on the upper lip, apply some lash glue. If you don't have lash glue, you can also use a glitter primer. And then stick the rhinestones using a wax pencil. I'm using the duochrome purple to green rhinestones. If you can't find duochrome crystals, then you can just use a mixture of different shades of purple, blue, teal, and green to get the same color, the same kind of mermaidish colors. And once again, you can use a glitter primer, but then they will be a little bit more prone to falling off. After you cover all your lip with rhinestones, it's super glittery and sparkly already, but we want to give it a look like if it were a piece of jewelry. And here I'm using the Vlada MUA technique invented by her. Check out her accounts if you haven't seen her. She's a queen of lip arts. And I'm inserting silver beads in between the rhinestones. And this way it looks like each stone is held by metallic paws, like it happens in jewelry. And then to match the lower lip to the upper one, let's apply some metallic eyeshadows, preferably duochrome, of the same green, purple, teal, blue shades. But let's not apply them in stripes, let's apply them differently. This way they will overlap differently colored lipsticks and the gradient will be super smooth and interesting. For the lip line, carve it with foundation. If you weren't using any foundation, then just use a makeup remover and the same flat angled brush. And here you got your jewelry-like lip, which is a precious piece of treasure. It's super sparkly and glittery. Would you wear this bejeweled lippy? And if yes, would you wear it for a special occasion or for just casually going to a grocery store with your everyday type of look? I woke up like this kind of thing. In any case, if you like the tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up and check out lots of other ones in this playlist right here. See you there. Bye!